melt-in-mouth laddus that are not only power-packed but extremely simple to make. Let's make Poha Laddus. I'm taking 2 cups of thick poha. Firstly, let's sieve the poha to get rid of any impurities, if any. This is done. Time to roast the poha. I will be roasting until the poha becomes crispy. The poha is roasted. Time to take this off the flame. Next, I am roasting 1 cup of peanuts for 3 minutes. I can smell a beautiful fragrance of the roasted peanuts. The peanuts are roasted too. Let's take them off the flame. Next, I am taking half a cup of desiccated coconut to roast. Just 1 minute is good enough to roast coconut nicely. This is done too. Now, in the kadhai, I am adding 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee has heated, I am putting to fry 3 to 4 split cashews. Let's fry the cashews until golden brown. These cashews we will be using for garnishing the laddus. These are done. Let's take them out. Next, I am frying 10 to 12 chopped cashews, 10 to 12 chopped almonds, and 12 to 15 raisins. Let's fry the dry fruits. These dry fruits will be part of the laddu mixture. The dry fruits are fried. Let's take out the fried dry fruits along with the ghee, which will be used for binding the laddu. Time to grind all the ingredients. I'm firstly grinding the roasted poha separately. Poha is ground into a powder. Next, I am adding the roasted peanuts and the roasted desiccated coconut. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Let's give this a grind. This is done. Lastly, I am adding to grind 1 cup of jaggery. While you can also use sugar for sweetness, using jaggery makes it much more healthier. Once this is ground, we will have the laddu mixture ready. I am adding to the laddu mixture the fried dry fruits along with the ghee in which they were fried. Let's bring everything together. If the mixture breaks and falls and you find it difficult to bind the laddus, simply add some more ghee. The ghee and the dry fruits not only make the laddus richer but healthy too. All the ingredients are mixed well. Time to shape them into laddus. After shaping, I am topping the laddus with split cashews that we had fried. The quantities I have mentioned will make 12 to 14 laddus. Laddus are done. Be it for snacking or as an after-meal sweet, these laddus are all you need to satisfy your sweet tooth the healthy way. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.